some reason my device just said does not do split screen view right now. I don't understand that. I wasn't trying to do split screen view. I was just trying to show you out my driver's side window over here as I'm driving, speeding down through the Everglades down here in South Florida. The sun is rising. Soon it will be breaking that clouds right there. It's gonna look pretty awesome. I would send my drone up and do a little bit of flying, but I'm trying to rush down here before the traffic in Miami gets too bad. I'm 55 minutes away, so I'm just gonna keep going and keep going. More than likely, I'm gonna have to spend the day sleeping down here in Miami after I get unloaded, so I'm gonna have to take a 10-hour break, and then they're probably gonna not be able to load me wherever they're planning on getting me loaded from until tomorrow, which will be Saturday. So I'm probably gonna take a 10-hour break, including more than that. So I probably won't be leaving the center of Miami until Saturday morning. So tomorrow morning, when I wake up to go wherever I'm supposed to go, I'll probably be able to catch a sunrise via some drone footage. Look at that over there. Is it happening? Is it happening? It's gonna happen soon. The sun will be rising soon. But I just ain't got time for it. I do not have time to enjoy the sunrise this morning because I gotta keep going. I gotta work. I gotta work. Welcome to a Miami Friday morning. It always rains in Miami. I'm down here in the Everglades. I was gonna fly my drone here in the Everglades, but one small problem. If you look up, there's these power lines and they're stopping the compass from calibrating, so I can't fly my drone. So what am I going to do instead? I'm going to walk out here with my Osmo, show you guys the Everglades a little bit, then head up the road and take you to an alligator farm, and then hopefully, if I can find it, an abandoned roadside attraction, an abandoned roadside alligator farm. But first, let me show you the Everglades. Come on, let's go. Pretty awesome, right? It's really nice. About 30 miles up the road, though, there is a pretty cool little alligator farm. So we're going to head over that way right now. I'm just a little bit disappointed just because I actually did want to fly the drone out there. But right along the roadway, they put some pretty powerful not phone lines, but electrical lines. You can see them directly above my head. Right up there. Right up there. Damn compass. Getting close to an alligator farm that I want to stop and document, but I don't think the weather's going to help me out at all. Look at this. Look at this weather. Yes, I think the weather does not want me to stop. Fingers crossed. Okay. I'm like in between storms. If you see, there's a big cloud there. There's a cloud dumping down rain over here. But I wanted to show you guys something. I wanted to show you guys some Florida alligators right here on the side of the road. Right here. Come on, let's go. I'll show you some. What are you doing? What are you doing down there? Just staring at me. Just staring. If looks could kill. If looks could kill. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna jump at me? Are you gonna jump? No, don't. You can look at that rain. It's coming. The rain is coming. Look at that. Florida sunshine. Liquid sunshine. Yeah, it's a pretty good roadside attraction. It's one of those small roadside attractions. You know, most people, they'll go to Disney, they'll go to Universal, Busch Gardens, SeaWorld, and they forget about these little baby awesome roadside attractions. Speaking of babies, look at these guys. Turn around, camera. There you go. Look at these guys. I hate looking through chain link fence. What's in here? What is it? Oh, this is where you can wrestle a gator. These are the gators they let you wrestle. Look at that. Look how big and massive they are. They're massive. If I could... That's the great thing about this Osmo. I could put it through the holes and robotically turn it. These are the gators they allow you to wrestle. Though I'm not going to wrestle any today. At all. I'm not going to. It's starting to sprinkle. Can you hear it? Can you hear the water? Yeah, I'm not going to do that today. But maybe one of these days I'll be able to stop back by here, show you guys what it's like to really wrestle an alligator. I was never good at wrestling, really. This is all new. See, look what you can do. Look at this. Look at this. You can go in there and grab yourself a gator. You could grab yourself a gator. But I'm not going to grab a gator. I'm not going to grab a gator today. Look at here, we got some Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers right here. Hey, baby. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? What are you looking at me? You want to be petted, don't you? You want to be petted. What is it, baby? Kitty, kitty. You just don't have a happy looking face. What was that? What was that? What was that? Is there another one over here? Hey. Hey. Hey, kitties. Those are Florida Panthers. Florida Panthers. Can you believe it? And what you could do, you could spend 50 cents right here. Let's see if I got 50 cents. Let's see if I got 2 quarters. Do I got 2 quarters? No, I don't have 2 quarters. Dang it. Because what you could do is you could get some food. There's no food in there. But you could get food out. Then what you do is you drop it in this little hole right there, in that little hole, and this little guy would come out and get it. You would come out and get that food, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? But I don't have 2 quarters, Mr. Raccoon. I don't have 2 quarters. I hear you like to wrestle. I hear you like to wrestle. You want to wrestle? You want to wrestle, Gator? You want to wrestle? All right, everybody. I'm going to go ahead and take off, head back towards Haines City, get out of here before this ominous cloud hits me. And you know what? I just want you guys... this is what I want you guys to know. I want to thank you. I want to thank you for visiting... for visiting 1, 2, 3. Turn around, camera. 1, 2, 3. There you are. I want to thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. That was kind of hokey, right? Hokey. I'm out of here. I'm going to go ahead and climb back in the truck, head up to Haines City, pull into Best Buy. There's something I'm looking for I'm going to grab, and then I'm going to park for a good 10-hour break and start editing this video footage together. So please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. And from Gatorama down here in Florida, I will talk to you all on the next one. Peace.